Okay, so I strangely love this thing, and this home makes me think of the Minions. And I don't know why. Maybe just because it's yellow and I don't know, but Minions come to mind. And this is one of those super tall ones in the area. Look at that. See how much taller it is than the one to the left of it. Now, when you purchase a home over here, you can name it as well, which I think is pretty cool. The homes also do have the option of furniture. If you do want to purchase one of the really nice furniture packages that they have, you can. And that will also enable you to be in the rental program if you want to do that. So if you only want to use your home part-time, you can. If you want to live here full-time, you can. There's a lot of flexibility. Having mat difficulties. There we go. Very nice, very nice. And you could see, this home is inventory as well, so it might not be 100% complete, but you got speakers up in the ceiling and lots of lighting. Look at that. Got some nice cabinets. Let's take a look at them. Now these homes all come with upgrades. I mean, you could see the cabinets, the upgrades compared to most communities, the countertops, the floors. I mean, these floors are upgrades. The stairs are upgraded, and you can see the faucets. And look at that sink. And you got your fridge, Samsung fridge. And here's your rear outside sitting area. If you are interested in this home or any other home, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I have no pressure sales, and I totally believe that the home should sell itself and no one should try to sell you on the home. I also do work for you with your best interest in mind, which is unlike the sales teams that work at home builders everywhere. They do work for the home builder. They get the home builder top dollar and represent the builder. They do not represent you. For me as a realtor, one of the biggest things that I always try to do is steer you away from the pitfalls and keep on watch. You know, when you are dealing with sales, it does come with a lot of tricks and sometimes deception. So it can be a very complicated thing to navigate alone, and especially when you don't know the process. And even if you think you know the process, but you're not trained, the process that you think you know might be totally incorrect. And you can see the fan that's up there, the ceiling fan. Look at how nice that is. Let's check out this little sitting area. Very nice. People that live over here right now have it really, really quiet. Well, let's see, where am I? I gotta go right. And this is probably the laundry room. So the bottom over here, which is actually made just like a shower underneath here. So if your washer and dryer does leak, it hits that and it doesn't flood the whole house. Now, most of the time, the washing machines do have a plastic tray underneath it with a little drain. The only problem with those things is sometimes they crack. So a cracked tray means some of the water is definitely going to get on the floor. And this bathroom has a little window as well. Very nice. Okay, so let's head up the stairs. And the stairs are really nice as well, and it's upgraded. You know, for some people, homes like this are excellent because, you know, picking out different things in the design centers can be complicated. And I mean, personally, myself included in this, I like things that are kind of just ready to go. Like, this is how it comes with all this stuff. You know, maybe pick the color combination inside or whatever it is, but that's it. This looks like it's probably a master over here. It's a nice space. Very good. It is. Yeah, these fans are high suction in here. I don't know, did I get this closet? Don't remember. Oh yes, this is where the AC is. And I do hope that you found this video helpful. I do also want to say thank you to everyone that has been in contact with me, and also for everyone that I have helped to purchase a home or just helped to look at a home. Thank you for choosing me. I do appreciate it. I do try to have a service that's second to none. Let's get you another view of this. Oh, that's the fan. There we go. Fan is off. Great looking home in the area. Definitely one of the best resorts if you are interested in resort properties.